So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to activate DoorDash Crimson card. So the first thing you should do is to download the DoorDash and Dasher apps. After that, you can sign up on Dasher. So through here, you can go to your earnings, and after that, you can activate your Crimson card or apply for DoorDash Crimson. No credit check required. Once you've activated your DoorDash Crimson card, your Dasher earnings will automatically be added to your DoorDash Crimson card, so you're paid after every dash. So it's gonna go to there. But what you should also look at is the DoorDash Crimson on Dasher Central. So go to here. And you can see here, apply now. It's the account that works for you. No more waiting all week or paying extra fees. You get paid instantly after every dash and earn cash back on your purchases and manage your money securely and easily, all within the Dasher app. So once you download that, you can go through the very similar screen looking like this. Click on apply now, and you can see some of the conveniences which are offered through the Crimson card and the Dasher app. So you can see cash after every dash. So once you do a dash, you can immediately receive money. After that, you can of course get it on the ATM. You can see perks come standard, and you can see some perks with your Crimson card. So really it just depends on you clicking the apply now button in the Dasher app once you click on earnings through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.